Lila's friendship adventure. Lila was a curious and adventurous little girl. She loved nothing more than exploring and discovering new things. One day, while playing in her backyard, Lila found a small hole in the fence that separated her yard from her neighbor's. Without a second thought, Lila squeezed through the hole and found herself in a magical garden. As she walked around the garden, Lila saw a strange and wonderful creature. It was small and furry, with big eyes and a long, fluffy tail. Lila wanted to learn more about the creature, but when she tried to speak to it, it didn't seem to understand. The creature just looked at her with a confused expression and made strange noises. Despite the language barrier, Lila was determined to communicate with the creature. She made silly faces and gestured, hoping that it would understand her. To her surprise, the creature responded with a series of playful chirps and hops. It seemed to be trying to communicate with her as well. As they played together, Lila and the creature became fast friends. They explored the garden and played all sorts of silly games. As the day came to a close, Lila knew that it was time for her to go home. She gave the creature a big hug and said goodbye, hoping that it would understand. To Lila's delight, the creature seemed to understand and gave her a farewell chirp. As Lila squeezed back through the hole in the fence, she knew that she would always cherish the memories of her magical adventure. Despite the language barrier, Lila and the creature had found a way to communicate and connect with each other. And that was all that mattered.